Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to understand how machines can see objects without cameras. We will explore infrared sensors, which act as an invisible eye in robotics and automation. Have you ever wondered how robots detect obstacles without using a camera? How does a simple robot know when something is in front of it? The answer lies in a small but powerful device, the infrared sensor, also known as the IR sensor. In this video, we will understand what infrared light is, how IR sensors work, what happens inside the module, and how you can use it with Arduino. Let's begin. What is infrared? Infrared, or IR, is a type of electromagnetic radiation. It lies just beyond the red color in the visible spectrum. Its wavelength ranges from 700 nanometers to 1 millimeter. We cannot see infrared light with our eyes, but we feel it as heat. For example, sunlight contains infrared radiation. An IR sensor is designed to detect this invisible radiation, allowing machines to see objects without a camera. Microphone types of IR sensors, 120 to 210. There are two types of IR sensors. First, active IR sensors. These sensors emit infrared light and detect the reflection. They are used in obstacle detection and robotics. Second, passive IR sensors or peer sensors. These do not emit any radiation. Instead, they detect heat emitted by humans or animals. In this video, we focus on active IR sensors, the type used in line follower and obstacle avoidance robots. Working principle. The working principle is very simple. Step 1. Emission. An IR LED emits infrared radiation, usually at 940 nanometers. Step 2. Reflection. When an object comes in front of the sensor, the IR light hits it and reflects back. Step 3. Detection. A photodiode receives the reflected light and converts it into an electrical signal. Important point. White or shiny surfaces reflect more IR light. Black or matte surfaces absorb IR light. This directly affects the detection capability. Inside the IR module. Now let's look inside the module. It contains four main parts. First, the IR LED, which acts like a flashlight. Second, the photodiode, which acts like the eye. Third, the LM358 comparator, which acts like the brain. Fourth, the potentiometer, which adjusts sensitivity. The comparator compares the received signal with a reference voltage. If the reflected signal is strong enough, the output changes from high to low. This digital signal can be read directly by a microcontroller like Arduino. Comparator logic. Here is the important logic. If the sensor voltage is greater than the reference voltage, the output becomes low, meaning object detected. If the sensor voltage is less than the reference voltage, the output becomes high, meaning no object. By rotating the potentiometer, we adjust the threshold distance. This converts analog reflection signals into digital logic. Technical specifications. Typical IR sensor module specifications are: operating voltage 3.3 to 5 volts. Detection range to 230 centimeters. Current consumption around 20 milliamps. IR wavelength 940 nanometers. Because of low power consumption, these sensors are ideal for IoT devices and portable robotics. Applications. IR sensors are used in many applications. In robotics, line follower robots, obstacle avoidance robots. In industry, object counting on conveyor belts, product detection systems. In consumer electronics, automatic doors, touchless faucets, smartphone proximity sensors. They are simple, affordable, and extremely useful. IR versus ultrasonic. You might ask, why not use ultrasonic sensors? IR sensors use light. Ultrasonic sensors use sound. IR sensors are cheaper and compact but limited to short distances. Ultrasonic sensors measure longer distances more accurately. If you need simple obstacle detection in a small robot, use IR. If you need accurate distance measurement, use ultrasonic. Arduino Interfacing. Interfacing is very easy. Connect VCC to 5 volts, GND to ground, out to a digital pin. Then use digital read in Arduino code. If output is low, object detected. If output is high, no object. Always adjust the potentiometer for proper sensitivity. Advantages and limitations. Advantages: low cost, low power, easy to interface, small size. Limitations: affected by sunlight, poor detection of black surfaces, limited detection range. So it is excellent for short-range detection, but not for precise distance measurement. Conclusion: infrared sensors are one of the most important components in embedded systems. They allow machines to detect objects using invisible light. Understanding: reflection principle, comparator logic, sensitivity adjustment is key to building reliable robotic systems. From simple student projects to industrial automation, IR sensors remain a fundamental sensing technology. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more embedded systems tutorials.